Hey Roger, this is the place we're going to be playing in. See if you can look around. When we play Capture the Flag, you're going to be starting right there, as you can see, right there. And sometimes when we play, the flag, I will set up right here, as you can see, close to the door. And when you go right here, there's a bunch of thorns. That's why you should get your armor and stuff. And here's the place. See, there's a lot of trees. It's hard to shoot. Sometimes I miss with my sniper rifle. There's a lot of thorns in this area. And right there is where I start. Sometimes I extended the field, but too much thorns in the area. So, Roger, haircut. It's gonna be hard, and there's people talking back there because there's a office there. So, I guess so. Peace out.